Simon, open mind, you're going to Seco's Inspiration for Innovation for another year. What do you think of the show?
I'm really looking forward to it this year. It's going to be bigger and better than ever. Really excited. We're doing 2 parts this year again on a Hermity 5-axis machine, and we're doing another one on a 5-axis Grob machine. That's a nice new machine coming into Seco.
For those that didn't attend last year, what did they miss?
I think it really is, bringing the best in class and using different components to see, what is achievable when using, the best possible tools for that particular part or that particular industry. It really is a combination of combining partners together to really show the true power of what's achievable.